guys, and welcome back to my channel. You know what time it is. You see the title. Let's talk about some new products. This is actually the last one that I'll be doing for 2024, and I don't know why I'm excited, because I feel like deep down inside I know I'm about to be severely disappointed, just because I feel like everything has been giving very blah lately. But something about the end of the year just brings in excitement for that feeling of like newness, right? You know, New Year's resolutions. You get to start over, you get to try new things, you get to rebrand, you get to become a different person. I feel like that's why I'm feeling giddy inside doing this. But if this is the first video that you're seeing, once a month I talk about new launches in makeup, beauty, skincare that you might want to check out. So let's see. Okay, new structural volumizing and lengthening mascara from Haus Labs. A volumizing mascara that's good for your lashes. No clumping, safe for sensitive eyes, contact lens wearers, retails for $29. Here's the thing, I do like mascara, especially for my bottom lashes. And although one of my favorite mascaras is YSL, so you know, like, it's a pricey why do I want to keep saying concealer? It's a pricey mascara. There are plenty of good drugstore mascaras. There's the Essence one. Elf has a good drugstore mascara. So, you know, when I see like $29 for mascara, I'm like, you're gonna have to be great. Now, Haus Labs products are good, but like, you're gonna have to be great. You're really gonna have to draw me in on this one. So I'm gonna let the girlies try that out first, and then y'all circle back and y'all let me know what you think on that one. Okay, available now in Europe. Blush Sunkisser Hazy Matte Blush from Maybelline creates a beautiful sun-kissed effect as if you had just returned from vacation. Buildable formula with a soft melting texture. The product is easy to apply with the XL Plush applicator. I'm looking at the shades. Shades seem very cute. I love me a little good liquid blush. Is there a price on here? Well, it's not available in America yet, but I would at least try one. I would try one. The shades look cute. Available now in Europe. Okay. New nude collection from MAC Cosmetics, very color of the year 2025 Mocha Mousse inspired. Includes Luster Luxe lipstick, Maximal matte lipstick, Maximal sleek satin lipstick, Power Kiss liquid lipstick, a lip pencil. Now here's the thing, we're always gonna have to give MAC credit for being that girl very early on, right? This collection, they might get me on this one. And funny enough, there's a combination from Laura Mercier. It's a lip liner and a like bullet lipstick that I've been wearing lately. And y'all know, like, been very much so lip gloss girly for like the last 2 years, but I really like it. So this kind of makes me want to get back into bullet lipsticks and liquid lipstick, and the fact that it's a nude collection. I might get back into like bullet lipstick, stuff like that, but I'm so sorry, it's giving very much so I'm going to remain a nude lip girly. Now it could be nude, it could be pinky nude, it could be peachy nude, but it's like, I'm not going back, I'm so sorry, to the girl that would wear blue lipstick. Love that for me in the moment, but I'm sticking. So I definitely want to see this collection when it comes to America. Okay, rumor has it that skincare brand Pharmacy Beauty is coming to Ulta. I am currently using their Milk Essence, so I'm intrigued about that one. Also, they're the ones with the honey mask, right? I believe so. If so, this is definitely a brand to check out. New shade, Slick Salve Glossy Lip Balm from Topicals, a vegan barrier building balm that quickly hydrates, soothes, and protects dry, chapped lips, providing shine and relief that lasts all day. Retails for $16, so it's just the original in a new shade, which very cute. I am going to stick to the clear shade. However, I actually really like this product. It is sticky though. Like, even after you try to remove it, it is sticky. So that's the only downside-ish that I would say about it, but hydrating on the lips, it feels good on the lips. I like this product. So if you are interested in the new shade and it's just, that's the only thing you have to worry about, go ahead and try the new shade. But I like the product itself. Revealed new perfume, Infusion de Rhubarbe from Prada. This yummy, fruity floral perfume expresses the playful personality of rhubarb. I don't get it. Yeah. Pink and green, sweet and sour, a vegetable that feels like a fruit in a signature solution of musk and citrus that recreates the enveloping scent of skin. Wait a minute, Prada. Wait a minute. I feel like, hold on, let me see the keynotes. Super essence of green mandarin, white musk. So the 3.4 ounce is $188 and the 0.34 ounce is $35. The scent type is fresh florals. From the description, they might get me on this one. I don't know. It sounds like something. I'm gonna have to at least smell it. Is it available now? Oh, will be available January 7th on their website and in Sephora. I'm gonna have to go smell her. Yeah. Okay, available now. Harry Potter has collaborated with She Glam, includes Golden Snitch Highlighter, retails for $7.99. Quidditch Champion Lip retails for $17.99. It's what you would basically expect from a collaboration with makeup brands. I know Harry Potter is very popular. I tried to get into Harry Potter when I was a kid because my brother was into it. He read all of the books, right? And wanted to be like my older brother. I don't remember which one it was. It's the one, like the cover is the dark blue-ish one. And mind you, I don't know what the other covers look like, so they could all look like that. But I begged my mother to purchase that for me as well because I wanted to be like my older brother. He likes Harry Potter and other people at the time liked Harry Potter, so I did not finish the book. And I've tried to like get back into it as I've become an adult, and I just feel like, you know, maybe that has passed me. Like the time to get into it has passed me. I can't do it. And like I wanna be, which is crazy to me because like I read the Twilight books, and if you like Harry Potter, the collection is there. I can't tell you if the collection looks like it's on par with the book and the movies, all that stuff. I'm just letting you know that collection exists if you are interested in it. Okay, new Halo Glow Powder Filter from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Create soft focus finish. Ultrafine formula helps blur the appearance of pores, fine lines, and excess shine for a naturally airbrushed vibe. This light as air pressed powder delivers light buildable coverage. Includes velour puff and mirror. Oh, there's a, wait. I'm looking, where's the, oh, is the mirror maybe on the bottom end of it? For on-the-go touch-ups in 12 shades. Y'all know e.l.f., one of those brands, like they rarely do any wrong when it comes to the products that they put out. I'm looking at the shades. The shades seem a little questionable. Just because like it's the undertones of the shades, I should say, seem a little questionable. But I would definitely check this out. I'm trying to figure out where's the mirror. It's just gotta be on the bottom half, bottom side. Okay, new Afterglow Sheer Hydrating Lip Oil from NARS. High shine gloss loaded with long-lasting hydration and a sheer color. The gel oil texture glides on with a weightless feel. Formulated with raspberry seed oil and pomegranate extract to intensely nourish lips. Also infused with omega-3s and 6, plus vitamin E and A to smooth, soften, and soothe. Retails for $28. I don't know if like I've just gotten older. I like me a good lip oil. I'll use lip oil in combination with like the lip product that I have on. But like at night or days I'm not wearing makeup, like throw it in my car, I like a good lip oil. Sometimes more than a lip gloss. New All Hours Hyper Loose Powder, Spring 2025. Baby, if it's not launching within like the next month, keep the announcement, okay? But it's from YSL. Lightweight multi-use loose powder provides a flawless, natural, soft matte blurred result. Long wear hiding pores and unevenness with a blurring effect. Do I see a price? I don't see a price. Will be available around March. I'm gonna have to try that one. I'm gonna have to try it. They had me at the soft matte, but the blurred, yeah, I want to try her. I see a pink shade. Do I see a yellow one? I gotta let the video play again. Come on, come on. Is that supposed to be? Yeah. We'll see. Available now, Le Glow Skin Tint from L'Oreal. Healthy glow meets breathable coverage in a lightweight water-based tint. Reflective pearls, blurring pigments, and 82% hydrating serum provides a healthy, soft lit glow. Retails for $16.99, 16 shades. I would try it, because at this point, like, I tried every foundation that I come across, especially if it's requested. From the description, is it something that, like, if this wasn't what I did, I would like run out and go get it? Probably not, but I would try it, because why not? New spring 2025. This is okay. Dior Addict Lip Glow Shades awakens the natural color of lips with a custom glow and up to 24 hours of hydration, infused with color reviver technology that adapts to the pH of lips with cherry oil, shea butter, and sunflower waxes. Of course, coming soon. I'm scrolling. Okay. New Beija Flor Body Oil from Sol de Janeiro, a lightweight body oil that visibly boosts elasticity and improves resilience for smoother, plumper looking skin. It features the fruity floral scent of Cheirosa 68 with cacao oil, plain squalene, and retails for 52 dual hairs. I want to try their body oil. It's the scent options for me. I'm not that big on them, but it looks cute, and I know the body oil, like the product itself is good. It's the smells, but I'd at least smell that one, see what's giving. Okay. New products from Tatcha. They have a brightening and firming vitamin C serum, $89, and a brightening eye cream. I don't see a price for that. Is it available now? It is available now. For the serum, visibly brightening and firming with 12-hour vitamin C and ferulic acid. The eye cream, reveal bright, well-rested eyes. Tatcha is a very good skincare brand. Like, their products always work for me when I try them out. I would try it. At least the eye cream, especially the eye cream. I would try that. I don't know how much it costs, but I would try the eye cream. Available now. New products from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Their Buttermelt Skin Tint and new Glitter Duck Plump Gloss shades. The Buttermelt Glaze Soft Glow Skin Tint retails for $16. A skin tint formula melts right in for the butter glazed skin. Get glazed donut skin and SPF 30 protection in a sun care based formula that wears for up to 12 hours. Comes in 10 shades. Now, it might only come in 10 shades, but look at the shade range. And that's what people be talking about. When y'all are like, well, brands can't create 78 shades that fit everybody. Okay, but they could make the gradient of the shade range look better than 65 shades that cover fair to medium and then throw in 8 shades at the end for deeper complexions to pick from. And y'all know NYX foundations, some of the best drugstore foundations that you can get. So I would definitely try that one. I have their Buttermelt bronzer, and if it's like that same type of like velvety formula, she might be a banger, and a $16 banger at that. I like their Duck Plumping glosses. Those shades, they can keep it as far as I am concerned here. But the actual product, I like it. I have 3 shades. Yeah, I think 3. Okay, Beauty Creations has collaborated with SpongeBob. I see lashes and eyeshadow palette. Again, like y'all know what these collections consist of. Very cute, definitely for my more colorful makeup girlies, but the Nickelodeon kid in me seeing the SpongeBob, I want it just because it's SpongeBob. It's very cute packaging, but I need more than just packaging. Is that a mirror? Oh, I might need that mirror. A new fragrance. Sabrina Carpenter is dropping a new fragrance, Sweet Tooth Me Espresso. Sweet and sophisticated, a delicious fragrance. Notes espresso bean, cappuccino, cocoa powder, night blooming jasmine. You know, one thing about it, the pop girlies, they gonna release them a fragrance. And if it's anything like Ponytail or Billy, might need that. Just from the description, the packaging, of course, adorable. I might need her. Might need this. It's not available yet, but I'm gonna have to smell it. From the notes, it sounds like it'll smell good. Does she have other fragrances? This is the first I've heard that she has fragrances. Available now, new Duck Plump Retractable Plumping Lip Liner from NYX. Spicy liners for a plump pout from nudes to pinks, reds, and browns. Retails for $10 each. Comes in 12 shades. I try at least once. I like plumping products. I know a lot of people do not. I might be doing a little too much with the plumping lip liner and plumping lip products, but I'm okay with that. So I would try at least one. Y'all know I'm always gonna get at least the brown when it comes to lip liners, and it's only $10. New Mighty Fine Brow Pen from Benefit Cosmetics. Ultra Slim Superfine Triple Tip for delicate and natural eyebrow creation. Available the end of December. I don't see a price. So far, 4 shades confirmed. Okay. Benefit, it's one of the few things Benefit's good for, are the brow products. And ever since I switched to like brow pens for my eyebrows, I'm not going back to any other type of brow products. Right now, I currently use the Glossier brow pen. Love her. So I'm actually intrigued on this one. I would actually want to try this one out. Wait a minute. Okay. Crumble Cookies has collaborated with Dove. A limited edition collection of body cleansing and care products inspired by the irresistible flavors of Crumble Cookies. Body wash, body scrub, deodorant, liquid hand wash. The only thing I might actually be interested in is maybe the liquid hand wash. Y'all saw me try Crumble Cookie for the first time. I don't see it. I don't see what y'all, well, I didn't taste it. I don't taste what y'all are tasting in them cookies. I usually don't like my bath products to be like this type of like overly sweet scented type stuff. Definitely would not use that type of deodorant. But you know, if you like it, I love it for you. And I'm letting you know that it exists. Well, wait a minute. That lemon glow, oh, it's a body scrub. The body scrub might see me. Maybe. Let's do, oh, Tatcha is coming to Ulta Beauty. Tatcha wasn't already at Ulta? Okay, let's do one last thing. Okay, new Glow Shave collection from Meet Flamingo. Transform your shave into a luxurious ritual with 3 simple steps for soft, glowy skin, just in time for your holiday escape. Each step product is only $9.99. So they have a pre-shave scrub, a nourishing shave oil, and soothing shave serum. You know, once you start adding glow and stuff like that in body care products, I'm like, sign me up. I would like to try it. I actually don't shave. I was gonna say much. It might be at all. Like, it's really like emergency type thing for me to shave. Actually, I shave my arms every now and then. But I'm still kind of intrigued on this one. I kind of want to test that out. And yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. And look at me being a hater at the beginning, saying I don't feel like there's much for me this go around, but I feel like I actually like the stuff that I saw in today's. Okay, let me know. Let me know if I actually have things to look forward to in 2025 when it comes to, you know, the whole beauty industry. I definitely see some things I feel like I'll have to make individual videos on. But if there's anything that you would like me to test out and I didn't talk about it, or, you know, just let me know in the comments down below. Already planning out content for 2025, things that I want to review. So your comments always help when it comes to planning out content ahead of time. And yeah, that is it. Those are some of the last few things you can pick up right now in December, or some of the things to look forward to in 2025. But yeah, I'm a little excited. Maybe that's why I was feeling all giddy in the beginning of the video. But that is it for this video. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.